Are you team butter or team mayo when it comes to toasting your bread?
All right, so technicality here. I am both butter and mayo.
Me too.
However, from one of our griddle pros, I've kind of fallen in love the Blackstone Betty route. She introduced me to mayo, and I like it. It's a tangier punch.
I'm going team butter today.
Well, I'm gonna go team mayo then
Easy
today.
peasy. Let's do this thing.
All right, I love it.
Unsalted butter, in my opinion. I almost always advocate for unsalted butter because you can control how much salt you add if it's not already in the butter.
So what about bread? Is bread a factor that comes into play with this?
So you have to do an extra step. You actually have to apply the mayo. I'm just gonna put it down on the griddle.
Yeah.
I'm not knocking.
You're doing something. Something's happening over here.
Yeah, I see people all the time. I think maniacs use salted butter.
Maniacs.
Yeah.
Well, you just probably threw majority of Griddle Nation under the bus.
You know what I'm saying? I'm swapping with you again, handsome.
You got it, bud.
So another question is, what kind of bread? I'm a purist. I'm white bread all the time.
I think I can handle some sourdough.
Sourdough?
Yeah.
All right.
So are we going like crust in
I'm not gonna tell you how to make your grilled cheese. You're a grown man.
Can make my grilled cheese.
You make your
any way that I like. You know what? I am gonna do it my way.
Okay. How are you doing it?
My way is the highway. I'm just gonna cheese it up now. We're gonna go multiple levels of cheese here.
I like it.
I kind of like when some of the cheese falls off the edge.
Always.
Get a little bit of that skirt. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
You have to complicate everything because he's all chefy like that. But here we go. Grilled cheese in all of its brilliance. Right there, direct from the lamp.
Right here, so what I'm doing is something slightly different. I want to toast the inside and the outside of my bun. So I'm gonna go there, then I'm gonna flip, because I am all about texture. Crunch is king, and I'm gonna take your trick, which you 100% invented.
Thank you.
Lots of queso.
Lots of queso.
Por favor.
See, now you're just getting greedy.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna double toast this, and I'm gonna double butter this. I'm gonna add more butter. Also, I'm a fan of the puddle of butter, which, by the way, is not possible on a traditional grill.
So the Cardiac Express is basically what we have here.
That's exactly what we have. This isn't I'm watching the waistline. This is I'm watching the cheese melt.
Ooh, let's see what I got going on here. I'm not sure if we went too far.
No, not for me.
No, sir. No, sirree, Bob.
Oh,
Danny boy.
Yeah.
That's the beauty, I think, also of grilled cheese is how quick they are.
Oh, yeah.
Like if you got a pot of tomato soup, if you warm it up and it's already waiting for you, throw a couple sandwiches down and you're off to the cheesy race.
I'm not gonna say that mine has too much cheese. And I'm not gonna say that yours doesn't have enough cheese, because I think to each his own. What I will say is...
Mine looks perfect? Is that what you're trying to say?
No. What I'm saying is if it looks like that, it's right. Maybe.
Okay. I'll tell you what. You take care of that. I'm gonna get our tomato soup situated.
You know what else? My mom used to always smash them down real flat. But when it's fluffy like this, that's why I like to toast it on both sides.
Yep.
Because when I get this, when I get that, and that little bit of cheese skirt where the cheese gets crispy on the edges, I get half of that inner 8-year-old in me. I'm gonna do one of each, so we can kind of compare.
So we can show that mine is better. Yeah, I understand.
Better is a relative term, Mr. Fraser.
Yes, and it's related to me.
And if you wanted to, if you take just a bit of cream, you can take a spoon or a knife and just give it one of these.
So you're playing with your food again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we can take a really nice olive oil, a bit of graza drizzle.
All right.
If you want to, just a little touch.
If you want to just keep going, you could just keep going.
Just a little bit of pepper. We took a few simple, very basic ingredients and made something magical.
And rose to the elements.
Yes.
High above.
Yeah.
To make mastery.
And it really is. It's like those little extra steps, you know, unsalted butter.
Sure.
Or mayo.
Or mayo.
Toast both sides to get crispiness,
I do
to get
like
texture.
that one. I do like that.
Add a bit of love to your tomato soup.
I think it's got all the love. You might have went a little too far with the love.
All right, my friend. There's something super magical about
the cheese, about
the inner 8-year-old in me that just wants all the cheese.
Yeah.
I might have gone too much cheese.
You did go.
Said no one ever.
Maybe. It's yummy, dude. But the soup? You have to have the soup.
This might be my favorite episode so far.